Hello everyone, Heine Haynes, show for scale, Ontario. This is one of three called the Camp Plus, and they're chef's knives, lockback knives, but that's the sous chef, tongue into gear rich, and it's made out of, what are we looking at? It's a stainless steel. It's a Chinese stainless, so we're looking at, I can't confirm, but you're looking at an equivalent of like an 8CR13 MOV steel on there. We've got fibre reinforced nylon, nestled steel liners in there, so it's strong, and a nice backlock on there. So there's three of them in the set. You've got a fully serrated bread knife, and then you've got a Sentuko as well. But this is the only one I've got for scale at the moment for you. So let's do the specs on it. Blade length, we're looking at just shy of 11 centimeters. Thickness on the stainless steel, we're looking at 2.5, 2.8, something like that. Overall, because it's got a good size handle, because it is being used as a kitchen knife, we're looking at, what's that, just shy 24, I'd say 24, and then close them up, looking at 13 and a half closed, but nice slim. So the widest, we're looking at like 8 mils on the widest part. Big nail nick, but you don't really need it, you can pinch grip. But as a fold-in chef knife, I personally would go with the set of them, take up minimal space, and then you're covered for all eventualities. So from Ontario, that's the fold-in chef knife.